Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a great article fast and easy using Koala Writer AI. So whether you're a content creator, blogger, or just someone who wants to save time writing, this tool is going to make the whole process easy. So let's jump right in. So let's start by understanding what Koala Writer AI actually is. So Koala Writer is an AI powered writing assistant that helps you generate high quality, long form articles in just a few clicks. Not only can it create full blog posts, but it can also write product roundups, Amazon reviews, informational articles, and even lead magnets. Now, what makes it really useful is how it connects with other tools. You can integrate it with WordPress to publish articles instantly. You can link it with a Google Sheet to export your drafts. And if you want to automate your workflow, it even supports webhooks and API access for full customization. So it's more than just an AI writer, it's a full content production hub. Now, before we move on, just a heads up, if you want to try Koala Writer yourself, I've added the link in the description below. It's free to get started, so feel free to follow along with me. Now let's take a quick look at the features inside the Koala dashboard so you know where everything is. Starting at the top is the Home tab. This is where your main overview is. You'll see your usage credit, any recent updates, and helpful link. Next is Koala Chat. This works like ChatGPT. You can ask it questions, brainstorm content ideas, or even generate outlines before you start writing. Then we have Koala Writer. This is the heart of the platform where you'll be creating full articles, and we'll be spending most of our time here. And under that is Koala AI Images. It allows you to create AI generated images to go with your content. Just note that this feature is for paid users only. And then after that comes Koala Links, a handy tool that helps you create internal link structures for better SEO inside your blog. Then there's Koala Magnets. This one lets you build lead magnets like downloadable PDFs, perfect for email marketing. And moving down, you'll see pricing. This is where you can compare plans and see what upgrades are available. Accounts. This is where you can manage your subscription, update personal info, or view your API key. And the logout is simply just to log out your session. And lastly, contact. This is where you can reach out to support if you run into any issues or want to request a feature. Now that we've explored the interface, let's go ahead and create an article together. To get started, let's click on Koala Writer from the sidebar, then click the button that says Default. This is the standard mode where you'll be writing most of your content. And next up, you'll need to select the AI model. Since we're using the free version, we're going to choose GPT 4.1 Mini. Now, let me quickly explain the difference between the two main models available here. So, GPT 4.1 Mini, this model is fast, lightweight, and perfect for general content writing. It also offers reliable output and handles most topics well. And on the other hand is Claude 3.7 Sonnet. This one is known for deeper context understanding and creativity. It's great for long term or complex articles, but it's available only on paid plans. Once your model is selected, you'll see a drop down for article type. There are several options here like informational posts, reviews, roundups, but for this tutorial, let's choose blog posts. And then now let's enter our target keyword. So for this example, I'll type "Are German Shepherds good pets?" Scrolling down, you'll see some powerful features like SEO optimization. This helps your article rank better by pulling in live search data. You also have here automatic internal linking. It scans your existing content and links to it automatically. You also have AI images and YouTube embeds. This lets Koala insert relevant media directly into your article. So these features are very helpful, but they're only available on paid plans, so we'll skip them for now. And next is for article length. Let's keep it on default because this gives us a good balance between detail and readability. And for tone of voice, I'm going to check these four options: SEO optimized, confident, knowledgeable, neutral, and clear, because this combo helps make your writing both professional and engaging. Then we choose the language. So I'm picking English for this demo, but you can choose from many other depending on your audience. And for point of view, we'll go with third person. This is ideal for objective, informative content, and everything else can be left as is. And once you're ready, click create article. And now we just wait a few seconds. And there it is, a full length original article generated based on your keyword, optimized for clarity, and completely non copyrighted. All that with just a few clicks. No writing from scratch, no research needed. Now, if you're wondering what more can you do with Koala Writer, let's take a quick look at the paid version. So click the pricing tab on the sidebar. So in here, you'll see all the available plans. Let's take a closer look at the $9 month starter plan. So this one gives you access to all premium features like SEO mode, image generation, YouTube video embeds, and premium AI models like Claude Sonnet. And here, so I think that's good enough for me. I'll pick on $9 monthly starter plan. And here's a special thank you for watching until the end. When you're on the checkout page, click add promo code, then type in 15 off Koala, all capital, to get the 15% off your first month. It's a great way to try the full version at a discounted price. And that's how to use Koala Writer AI, from logging in, exploring features, creating your first article, and even checking out the paid version. This tool is a huge time saver and it gives you full control over your content, whether you're building a blog, scaling SEO, or just don't want to write from scratch. If you find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more AI content and tutorials. The link to Koala is in the description, and give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.